Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is going to be just a short announcement video for our upcoming tool sale because it's coming up very quickly and we wanted to try to give everybody as much notice as we could. So we decided that we're going to have this big shop sale, this big tool sale, May the 30th, which is on a Saturday. And in case you're not aware, we are in Pensacola, Florida. And this is an invite for anyone that watches the channels, the social pages, that enjoys the content. This is an invite for anybody that wants to come down and be a part of this sale. Abby and I are still going through the shop, trying to sort and separate things, and we've been bringing stuff down here and we're separating things that we know that we want to put into the sale. And there's going to be a lot of things available. We got all kinds of drills, taper shank drills, end mills, milling cutters, we got measuring tools. There's going to be quite a few vices that we're going to be selling, and all sorts of things that you would find in a shop environment is what's going to be in this tool sale. We just wanted to give everybody an announcement ahead of time in case you're wanting to come and pass the invite out to everyone. I'm not going to blast the address of the location on YouTube. You're going to have to do just a little bit of work to go and find that. We're going to have this information over on our website, abomb79.com. If you go there, there's going to be a banner right there that's going to have all the information that you're looking for that you can click on and figure out where this is at. I think we're going to do an email blast too.
Yep, so you can join our mailing list. We're going to make it's at the bottom right now, but we're going to make a special banner at the top so it's easier to find. But you can join the mailing list and get email updates on the sale and other things, videos and
yeah, we encourage you. We encourage you to sign up for the email blast because that's where we like kind of pushing out week-to-week information, especially stuff like this is the tool sale. And we're planning on having a couple of email blasts before that as well. But yeah, you can go to the website and that's where you can find the information on where it's going to be, the location and that sort of stuff. If you guys are coming from out of town, I'll say that Pensacola has hotels all over the place, so there's plenty of places to stay if you need to make it an overnight trip down here.
If you have a question, you can email me at info@abomb79.com. I will do my very best to answer everybody.
Absolutely. We want to try to make this as fair as possible and let everybody have an opportunity to come through and pick through some tools and just have a good time. I also wanted to mention that this is a cash and carry situation. So if you plan on coming, I'd advise you to, or I encourage you to have a big old fat stack of cash in your pocket and let's wheel and deal on some of these tools. But we're going to try to price everything as fair as possible because this is all going to be, extra surplus tooling that I've decided to let go of, and we're excited to let this stuff go to a new home and a new shop and other people that are looking for this kind of stuff to help tool up their shop. So we're going to try to be as fair as we can on our prices, and we're excited to see all this stuff go to a new home.
That's right.
So be sure to check out the website, abomb79.com. That's where you can find more information. And we will have a follow-up video soon. Once we start getting everything sort of laid out in the shop, that's what we're about to start working on. We want to try to get everything laid out to see what we have, get everything priced, start getting it tagged, and then we'll follow up. We'll have maybe some video to show what we're going to have at the tool sale, and maybe that'll help entice a few people to come down as well.
It's going to be a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it is quite a bit of stuff. So
I will also have a table of Abby collectibles as well. So if the ladies come, it's not just tools.
Absolutely, there's going to be a little bit of everything. We've even got a washer and dryer out there for sale. I mean, we've got some of our family that said that they're going to come and help that day as well, and they're like, oh, I'm going to bring some of my stuff. So there's going to probably be a little bit of everything, not just shop sales, but there might be some household things and collectibles and stuff that you'll see out there as well. But we're really excited about it, and we're just ready to kind of get it all organized and situated and get to the sale. So we will follow up soon with another video and let you guys know what we're going to have. And again, check out the website, abomb79.com, where you can find the information that you need on the location and all that good stuff. So you got anything else to add there?
I think we're going to try to start at 8 a.m. It'll be on there though, so we're going to try to do an
Yep.
8 a.m. start.
Yeah, we are going to shoot for 8 a.m. I know it's going to be a really early day for me. I'm going to try to get there early and start getting things set up out there, and I'm just excited to get to it.
Yeah.
I really am. So we hope that we see you there, and check back for the follow-up vid where you're gonna see all the tools laid out and everything that we might have for the tool cell.
That's right.
All right, guys, we'll talk to you later.